Hi ladies, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. I am so excited for today's video because we're going to be working on our eyelashes again. I truly have been loving filming these lash extension videos and it seems like you guys like them as well. But I noticed through the comments that I was reading you guys wanted me to share a more affordable option, something that's a little more accessible for you guys to get. So of course I went on Amazon and I searched high and low for the best eyelash kit that I can find. And I don't want to get a little too carried away, but I found an eyelash extension kit that looks very promising. It was under $20. I think it was like $18.99. And look at this. When I first saw it, the lash clusters themselves really reminded me of the Lashify lash clusters. I have some, and these are way too expensive. They're like $25 for one little thing like this of lashes. So when I saw these, I was blown away because not only do they come with a bunch of lash clusters, they also come with the glue and the tweezer. So you get everything that you need all in one packet. This is what it looks like. So we have two different lengths of clusters. I got the 14 and 12 because that's normally the sizes I use on my lashes. Here is the tweezer. And this is the glue. It has directions and everything if you need on the back, and even removal and aftercare, everything like that. I'm just hoping that it works really great and I get some amazing results. So I'm just gonna stop rambling and put these lashes on. The quality of these clusters look really great and I love that there's so many. The tweezer is a little interesting. I prefer like something like this, but I'll work with what I got. And this is what the bond looks like. See, it's just a little mascara wand. It's much thinner though. So what I recommend doing is just wiping off the excess glue, because you don't need that much glue. It shouldn't be clumpy and frumpy on your eyelashes. It should just coat every single lash, but not clumped up. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna do this thing. I am going to coat my bond when you get the cluster close to the natural lashes and it like clicks kind of like a magnet right away. And this one seems to be doing the trick. I'm gonna add one more 14 cluster. And I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner like I always do, just to conceal, you know, everything in. This is optional. doesn't have a seal, and so like I said, it dries kind of quickly. Therefore, I don't recommend doing what I did, like coat all the lashes all at once. I would have had a much better outcome if I just coated as I go. So I'll coat a little bit and then apply the cluster and then coat a little more and then apply another cluster, if you know what I'm saying. Because what I was realizing while I was putting the clusters on, they weren't clicking as great like a magnet, like I explained a little earlier, and that is because the glue was kind of drying off already. So I had to apply a little more glue and then put the cluster on, and then it clicked like a magnet. So I hope that makes sense. If you are planning to get this kit, definitely keep that in mind. But other than that, I just tried to pull one of the lashes off because I didn't like the way I placed it, and it was almost impossible. Like, they are stuck on there. So that could be a really great thing, but it could also be kind of annoying. It says in the back that they have a lash remover on Amazon called the Petite Cream Remover, and you're supposed to use a micro brush or a Q-tip to apply it on the bonding part of the cluster and wait 30 seconds, and then it will remove by itself. So I don't have that, but a waterproof makeup remover always works really great for me. So that's what I'm going to do for these. I do love that this glue is very strong. That means the lashes are going to last on your eyes a lot longer, and they're not going to just budge off even when you are washing your face. But at the same time, you have to be very careful when you are applying them properly. Make sure you place them well so that you don't have to pull them off and possibly pull off your natural lashes. We don't want that. The whole point for me in this eyelash extension trick is that it does not damage your natural lashes compared to wearing falsies or salon quality eyelash extensions. I also really love the quality of these lash clusters. They are very soft and light, so they're not going to be heavy and like weighing on your eyes, which is always what I look for. Again, they are so similar to the Lashify lash clusters. They're almost identical except for the price, of course. Overall, I'm very impressed with this lash kit. I'm going to continue to use it. I will possibly do an updated video on how I take off my lash extensions and how I wash them and everything. I'll even update you guys in a week to show you if they're still on. So I'll see you in a week. Hey, it's me. It's been 8 days since I've had these on, and I'm going to take a shower tonight, take them off, wash them, and then reapply them tomorrow. But to be honest, they are on here pretty like stuck. They will not budge. So I think that glue is very strong and powerful, which is great. I just hope I'm able to take them off tonight without ripping out any of my real lashes. I will update you guys later on how I take off these lash extensions. But I could honestly go on maybe 2 weeks with these. I just would rather take them off and wash them and wash everything and reapply them so they can look much cleaner, because they do be looking kind of crusty. I don't know if you can tell, because I've been wearing makeup with them and just wearing them every single day, washing my face, taking showers, all that. So I can't breathe. Definitely love the longevity of these, and I highly recommend them. I'll make sure to leave the Amazon link in my description box below if you're interested in getting this kit. Go ahead, but please don't make it sell out, because I want more too. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Bye.